Hey everyone, how are you guys doing today? Rad Ryder here. Uh, Today I wanted to make a quick video about the items in this tote and a couple other items that I keep in the trunk of my car for emergency situations. Hope you guys learn a couple tips, and if I'm missing any items, uh, you guys can let me know. Okay, so I got a reflecting vest here. This is really important. It lets other drivers know that you're working on your car on the side of the road, whether it's day or night. I got a pair of gloves. Uh, got this from Home Depot for like $1. They were on sale and they got good grip texture on them. I have a light that's got a hook and a magnet in the back. You can stick it onto stuff or just hook it. It'll help you in low light conditions. I also have a headlamp. You can wear this on your head and now both your hands are free to work on stuff. This is another very important item that you need to have. It's just a $20 scan tool from Amazon. Whether you have a check engine light or any other lights, you can scan your car through the OBD port. It'll throw a code in here. Then you can go to Google that code, see what kind of issue you're dealing with. If it's a big issue, then you need to tow the car and not drive it. But if it's a small one that can be fixed later on, you can just drive home. That I have a jumper cable. This is what I used to have. I also invested in one of these Noco battery boosters. This is awesome. It's got a light here. You can even charge your phone with this. So it's like a power pack as well. But if there's nobody around to give you a boost, then this is the best thing to have. I have a flat tire repair kit that I keep. Small repairs that's not on the sidewall of the tire, you can fix it with this. I have a tire pressure gauge. I got 2 pliers, needle nose, and one of these things. I got a screwdriver, a Phillips, and a flathead. I also have my old extendable half-inch ratchet, and then extension with a 17mm socket. This will open my lug nuts. I also have a Milwaukee M18 tire inflator. I love this tool, but of course you don't have to spend that kind of money. You can just buy a cheaper version. There are many options out there. This is also really important to keep in the trunk of your car, is a quart of your engine oil, just in case you're going on a long drive. You have low engine oil, you can top up. I also have a gas can, 10-liter capacity. I can use this to get gas to my car, or you can also help somebody else if they need gas. And also, if you're living in the salt belt, this is one of the must-haves. A windshield fluid washer. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys learned something from this video. Please comment if I'm missing any other important items that we need to keep in the trunk of our car.